Caring for a dog is a big responsibility, and it's important to understand the risks and how to protect your dog from harm. One of the most common health issues in dogs is kennel cough, an upper respiratory infection that can be both uncomfortable and dangerous for our canine companions. Today, we'll discuss what kennel cough is, how dogs get it, and what treatments and preventative measures are available. So sit back and relax. Let's get started. Kennel cough, also known as canine infectious tracheobronchitis, is a respiratory infection that affects dogs. It is caused by a combination of viruses and bacteria and is similar to the common cold in humans. Kennel cough is highly contagious and is spread through the air when an infected dog coughs or sneezes, or through direct contact with contaminated surfaces or objects. Dogs that are more prone to getting kennel cough are those that spend a lot of time in close quarters with other dogs, such as at a kennel, dog park, or a grooming facility. The symptoms of kennel cough may vary depending on the severity of the infection and the underlying cause. Common symptoms of kennel cough include a dry hacking cough. This is the most common and distinctive symptom of kennel cough. The cough may sound harsh and may be accompanied by gagging or retching, sneezing. Some dogs with kennel cough may sneeze frequently, especially if the infection is caused by a virus. A dog with kennel cough may have a clear, watery discharge from their nose. Some dogs with kennel cough may have a fever, which can be detected with a rectal thermometer. A dog with kennel cough may also lose their appetite or refuse to eat and may be more tired or lethargic than usual. In severe cases, dogs with kennel cough may also experience difficulty breathing or coughing up mucus. If you suspect that your dog has kennel cough, it is important to consult a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. Please share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also smash that bell notification icon so that I can keep on sending you important similar information like this. So how do dogs get kennel cough? Kennel cough is caused by a combination of viruses and bacteria and is highly contagious. Dogs can get kennel cough through several different means. They can be caused by airborne transmission. Kennel cough is spread through the air when an infected dog coughs or sneezes. When an infected dog exhales, tiny droplets containing the viruses and bacteria that cause kennel cough are released into the air. These droplets can then be inhaled by other dogs, leading to infection. Dogs can also get kennel cough by coming into direct contact with contaminated surfaces or objects, such as toys, water bowls, or bedding. When an infected dog touches these objects with their nose, mouth, or paws, they can leave behind the viruses and bacteria that cause kennel cough. Other dogs that come into contact with these objects can then become infected. Dogs that are more prone to getting kennel cough are those that spend a lot of time in close quarters with other dogs, such as at a kennel, dog park, or grooming facility. This is because the viruses and bacteria that cause kennel cough can easily be transmitted from dog to dog in crowded environments. To prevent your dog from getting a kennel cough, there are a few things you can do. Keep their vaccinations up to date. One of the most effective ways to prevent kennel cough is to make sure your dog is up to date on their vaccinations, especially the Bordetella vaccine, which helps protect against the bacteria that can cause kennel cough. Your veterinarian can advise you on the appropriate vaccination schedule for your dog based on their age, lifestyle, and medical history. Avoid taking your dog to places where they may be exposed to large numbers of unfamiliar dogs. Dogs that are more prone to getting kennel cough are those that spend a lot of time in close quarters with other dogs, such as at a kennel, dog park, or a grooming facility. To reduce the risk of your dog getting kennel cough, try to avoid taking them to these types of places, especially if they are not up to date on their vaccinations. Practice good hygiene to help prevent the spread of kennel cough. It is important to practice good hygiene. This includes washing your hands before and after handling your dog and cleaning and disinfecting your dog's toys, bedding, and other items regularly. Keep your dog away from sick dogs. If you know that your dog has been exposed to a sick dog, try to keep them away from that dog as much as possible to reduce the risk of infection. If your dog does develop kennel cough, there are a few things you can do to help them feel more comfortable. Keep them well hydrated. It is important to make sure your dog is getting enough fluids to help loosen mucus and prevent dehydration. Offer your dog plenty of clean water and encourage them to drink. You can also try adding a bit of broth or low sodium chicken soup to their water to make it more appealing. Use a humidifier. A humidifier can help add moisture to the air, which can help loosen mucus and make it easier for your dog to breathe. Place the humidifier in the same room as your dog, and make sure to clean it regularly to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. Keep them in a well-ventilated area. It is important to keep your dog in a well-ventilated area to help them breathe easier. Open windows or doors to allow fresh air to circulate and avoid smoking or using strong-smelling products near your dog. Consult with a veterinarian if your dog's symptoms are severe or do not improve after a few days. It is important to consult with a veterinarian. They may prescribe antibiotics to help clear the infection or recommend other treatment options. It is also important to avoid taking your dog to places where they may be exposed to large numbers of unfamiliar dogs, such as kennels, dog parks, or grooming facilities. By following these preventive measures, you can help reduce the risk of your dog getting kennel cough and other respiratory infections. It is always a good idea to consult with a veterinarian for advice on how to best protect your dog's health. If you have any questions about any other pet-related issues, leave a comment below and make sure you watch the next video coming up for other pet-related information.